Hello kids! Today we are going to draw some insects and you have to guess. So let's see which is the first insect that we are going to draw. We make a circle and we're going to attach a body along with that. We're also making some wings here. I think we can guess it now. Yes, it's a butterfly. You have guessed it absolutely right. It is one of the most colorful insects. Let's move on to another insect. Again, we make a circle and we are going to attach a body with it. This time, it's different. This insect has also got some wings. It has also got some stripes on it. I think you know it now. It's a honeybee. Let's move on to another insect. We start again with making a circle, and this time we are going to make more than one circle. It seems like it's long insects. Can you guess it now? I think it's a caterpillar. Yes, it's a caterpillar. You have guessed it absolutely right. So this insect has got some shell on it. Can you guess which insect has got a shell on it? It has got a small body and a huge shell. It moves quite slowly. I guess you have guessed it already. It's a snail. So what do we have now? This time we have made a semicircle and a huge body along with it. This looks like a bug. Do you know any names of a bug? It has got some round spots on it. I think we can guess it now. It's quite clear. Is it a ladybug? Yes, it is a ladybug. You are very good at guessing. Let's move on to another insect. This looks like a long fly. But which kind of fly is it? Do you know which kind of fly is it? We call it dragonfly. Yes, it looks like a butterfly too, but it's not that colorful. I hope you enjoyed drawing. We are also going to color these small bugs, so keep watching the video.